Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about three things I did today, three stocks, options I traded today, hint, hint. You guys may think I'm crazy, I'm out of my mind, but just hear me out and let me explain my reasoning behind it. But before I get into the video, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. It takes me a while to make this video, and it only takes like half a second to smash that like button, so I'd really appreciate it. Alright guys, so getting into the video, you guys can see that there's options in my portfolio. You guys are probably like, and you're probably hyperventilating by now. I'm just kidding, you're probably not. But you guys can see that there's options, and I'm going to be explaining what's my play behind the options and everything like that. But first, I got to show you guys what happened with Gush. Gush was absolutely crazy. Today it dipped down so hard. I saw crude oil was going up, and I see that this semi-tracks oil, so it's oil and gas. And this thing kept going down and down and down, and I finally thought to myself, I've got to cut my losses. So that's exactly what I did. I'm out of the stock. This is toxic. It was tanking my account. I'm out. I saved a good amount of money that I could have lost. You guys can see that today it dropped by around 10%. I'm going to show you guys, I sold most of my shares at around 1078 or somewhere around there, which was a pretty good save because it could have been way, way worse. It could have fell by like 60 cents per share, and I had a lot of shares. So not very good. So I got out of it, got out of the toxic stock basically, and now I'm staying out of it. But now I decided to make another play, which is the options that I'm talking about. So you guys can see on my portfolio, KHC, this is Kraft Foods, the company. You guys probably know it. Warren Buffett's invested in it. And I decided to make an earnings report play. And you guys are like, what the heck, Casper, you're crazy. Chillax, it's a risk I'm willing to take on the stock. If it goes not in our direction, then the option price will dip down probably like 80 to 90%. And I'm willing to take that risk. And if it goes up, it's going to probably go up 2 to 5 times the price of the option, which is around 18 cents right now. So that's a risk I'm willing to take. And if it goes up, that's a huge win for us. If it goes down, it's okay. We'll recover. And options are starting to interest me a bit. I don't want to go crazy psycho mode and put in my whole account. No, chillax. I'm putting a little bit of money. This is 36 bucks, and my portfolio is worth 160 or so. So it is not that bad. I'm probably going to keep it around, maybe if I do trade options, $20 to $40. $40 like max that I put into options. And all right, so let's just get into the two things that I'm planning to do with KHC Kraft Foods options. So first of all, I'm planning to play their earnings report. So their earnings are supposed to come out right now, and it said it's coming out after hours, May 1st, and I'm recording this May 1st, 8:30, which is kind of crazy, and after market hours already like ended. So I don't know what's going on behind the scenes with Kraft Foods, but hopefully they release it today, because I'm really eager to see the results. And you guys can see my orders right here. And the play that I'm willing to take is on the calls, $34 calls. The risk is basically I'm risking, let's say we take $5 to $10 back if this goes down, maybe $5. So we lose $30 if the earnings report is below expectations. But if it is above, the profits we are able to make probably minimum 100 to 200%. I'm thinking 200% minimum. Basically by the earnings, that'll shoot the price up like crazy if it goes up, if it beats earnings. And looking at the gamma right here, it's showing that it's 0.228, so that's around 23 cents per dollar that Kraft Heinz goes up. And if the earnings report is positive, which from some sources, I'm pretty sure it is, I looked at the fundamentals a bit, and it's looking to actually report upwards, and looking at the technicals as well. So we are able to make 23 cents per dollar. Let's say it goes up to this $3, which it probably will if it beats earnings predictions. How much is that, guys? That's around 45 to $68 per contract, and I have two. So let's say we make $40 profit on each contract. That's $80 profit stacked up in our portfolio. That's perfectly fine, even if that's $20. We will take that as a W right there, as a win. And the second thing I did do with options right here, you guys can see that I did make an order here. This was originally not really planned, but I decided to just take part of the opportunity. I did make a day trade with options. That's right, you guys heard that correct. I day traded options successfully. I made $5 within the span of I don't know how long this was. Here, let's check it out really quick. Does it show us when? Exactly, no. But it was probably an hour or two. I bought a contract for $10. And then I saw that the price went up and it spiked up crazily throughout the day. I think it was this spike either here to here or here to here. Yeah, I think it was from this area to around the area of 33, 32. And we made a whopping $5 in just a few hours, which is not so bad. Day trading an option, that's 50%, guys. 50% day trading options. So that kind of interested me more in the options, and I will be doing a lot more research, and I definitely won't be pulling in my whole account. Guys, trust me, I've learned from my mistakes. But if we do trade options and there's a really good position to take, I will not put probably more than $20 to $40 into my options trade and keep the rest for swing trading. So yes, that's basically it, what I'm planning to do with options, and you guys hopefully wish me luck. Here, let's check one last time if they released the earnings yet. Nope, they did not release the earnings. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys all for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.